Hey everyone, today we're doing for loops. Here's the basic syntax in the top left. You call for and then some variable. I like to use I here as my index, in, and then provided a range of values, and I've got n here, n being 10. This will then go through from 0 to 9 and then print out the I value here. If we run this, here it is, 0 to 9. The reason why is that range function, it takes in the total number of values to go over, and then as Python has the 0 index, goes from 0 to 9, which is 10 total values. That's how that 10 is affected. But if you see here, every time it's looping through, the for loop executes the commands below and then increases that index. So that I value that I have right here, that I value increases every loop, which is why when I print it out, it starts at 0, but then goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth. Let's take a look at an example. Here I've got coordinates laid out, and it's 4 pairs of x and y values. I'm going to be using the length function. Let me demonstrate what that is useful for here. This length function will give me simply the number of elements in that array. I've got 4 sets of data, so it gives me 4 back. That's what I want to use for my for loop. Do for I, I'm going to keep I as my index, range from, I'm going to use that for, but call length of coordinates. Right, and this way, if I add another coordinate up here, say I want to add another, pair of data, now when I call this, it updates to the number of elements that are in coordinates. And that's just good, clean code. It's robust. Not too many issues will come from that. Great. Make sure you do the colon after the for call. And then here, I want to change the y coordinates to the corresponding x coordinate. To do this, we're going to have to, let's see, so we have to call coordinates. We're going to be in the ith row, and I want to change the second value, right, because it's 0. The x's are technically, these are technically zeros, and the y's are technically 1s when you index over this matrix here. And I want to change that to coordinates ith row, but I want to do the first, which is 0. And that will go through then, each time it goes through, it will iterate over it. If I run this and then eventually call, so it'll change the coordinates and print coordinates. I can do a print before and after for you here. Let's run this. And here we see initially, we've got 1, 2, 4, 10. And then the bottom though, the y coordinate here is changed to the x coordinate 1. Similar, we have 4, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7, 10, 10. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions. Hope this helped. Please like and subscribe, and have a great week. Cheers.